Hey guys, did you know that the 2023 Nissan Ariya won the top safety award from IIHS? The 2023 Nissan Ariya won that safety award based on 3 major criteria. One of those was going to be the design on the headlights for the overall lighting that they provide, as well as the design. The second part of that is going to be the crash ratings, scored phenomenally in every category. And finally, they won the award based on the Safety 360 features that come in this vehicle and a lot of our other models.
All right, so Safety Shield 360 is really easy. You're gonna come in here and you're gonna press this blue button on the steering wheel. When that's activated, it's gonna activate a number of features. This is the core component of what won this vehicle, the 2023 Safety Award. As you see on here, you have blind spot monitoring to watch as you're merging or turning to make sure that there's nobody sitting where you can't see them. You're also going to have forward collision assistance, so if you cannot stop or the vehicle detects that you don't have enough time to stop, it's going to automatically apply the brakes for you and either minimize a collision or avoid it altogether. The final thing that you're going to have on this screen is going to be your lane departure mitigation. So it's going to detect using cameras and sensors around the vehicle where you are in your lane. If you are drifting over lines, it will give you an audible warning and then correct your path and use braking to straighten you out and put you in the center of your lane again.
All right guys, thank you so much for your time today. This is Dylan Jew with Wendle Nissan here in Spokane. If you or any of your family or friends are looking for a vehicle, please feel free to give me a call.